Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The joint committee that was appointed by the Honorable High Court has now submitted their report today. Based on their recommendations, they have stated that out of the 80 trees which were supposed to be felled, 20 trees should be translocated. They have also stated that additional 120 shrubs and young plants should also be translocated. With respect to the earlier trees that were to be translocated, the 55 trees to be translocated, they have found that 2 of them are dead and therefore now 53 trees should be translocated. They have given a area, 2 survey numbers have been earmarked for this translocation in the village of Mercury. Over and above that, the Honorable Court has now permitted the PWD to fell the pending remaining 60 trees. That is this report. That is the order of the Honorable Court. In addition, there is a recommendation by the Joint Committee to formulate guidelines for proper translocation. Also, the agency has to be appointed for translocation and also to see that there is a proper methodology of translocation. That agency will be appointed. We have been given liberty to recommend certain names, and it will be finally on the executive engineer to take a call on which agency to go ahead with for translocation purposes.
What is that area?
The full area, it's about 4,000 plus square meters. To be very precise, it is 4,042.75 square meters in survey number 95/1 and 96 of Mercury.